Hey there, today on my day off, say hey Chica, I am working on a pillar, because this plant needs to be up like this kind of pillar thingamajiggy I found. So I showed at Home Depot Lowe's my plans for a column pillar, had them cut the wood. So I have 4 32 by 12s here and one 12 by 12 for the lid. And now I'm following the suggestion actually of a Home Depot guys, like putting wood instead of L braces, what I was thinking of, inside. And soon I'm going to have a pillar to put my plants on. All right, all my day off. Then we're gonna be with the acrylic flow painting with Floetrol and silicone. And that, you put it in a cup, dump it upside down, and then it looks really cool on the canvas. It's so cool. You should check it out on the internet because it's all over the internet. It's really popular. It's, yeah.